Hello everyone, Joseph Gallegos here with Greywater Green. We're going to talk about using consumer products, standard consumer products in your Greywater system. We get that asked all the time. People want to put a Greywater system in, but they don't want to change the shampoos or the detergents, or they think they have to change the shampoos and the detergents that they currently use in their household. It's not required. We find that the average person with a shampoo, the conditioner, the detergents, all can flow straight into the Greywater system and be dispersed in the landscape. And a lot of them have phosphorus and potassiums in them that actually help the plants grow. Another issue, a cool item, is that the dead skin on our bodies actually turns into nitrogen. For detergents, what we find is that many detergents have surfactants that help spread the water across the landscape, subsurfacely in the aquifer pipe. Now, surfactants are the same thing farmers use to spread fertilizers and herbicides and everything else on agricultural landscapes to make sure that the water penetrates deep into the root structure. So there is precedence of farmers using that already. The key thing is that all Greywater systems are required by law to have a three-way valve. The three-way valve allows you to churn the system off from the landscape and push all the water back into the sewer system. Why that's important? Well, if you're using comment or some type of harsh in the bathroom, you don't want that going out to your landscape. If you plan on using any type of chemicals or harsh cleaners in your bathroom, just go outside, turn the valve, or if you have one of our remote control ones, push the remote so that the valve automatically turns to Greywater, takes the Greywater and pushes it out to the sewer system. So it's any water that's going down those drains is now gonna go to the sewer system. So as you're using those chemicals, let them go to the sewer, and then when you're done, hit the button and it'll switch the valve back to the outside. And you're
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.